Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Creative toilet paper ideas. Holder offer innovative ways to combine both functionality and aesthetics in your bathroom. One popular option is to install floating shelves near your toilet, providing not only storage for extra rolls but also a stylish display area. Another imaginative choice is to hang decorative baskets on the wall, adding a touch of rustic or bohemian charm while keeping your toilet paper easily accessible. Repurposing items like wooden crates, wine racks, or antique ladders can give bathroom a unique and personalized look, while mounted holders with distinctive shapes or materials such as geometric metal designs or wooden sculptures can serve as eye-catching focal points. For hidden storage, consider using a magnetic strip on the side of cabinet door or vanity. Attach small metal containers or magnets to toilet paper rolls. Additionally, freestanding holders made from unconventional materials like concrete, marble, or reclaimed wood can introduce a modern or rustic touch to your bathroom decor. Whether you opt for a DIY rope holder, repurposed magazine rack, decorative plant stand, industrial pipe fitting, hanging fabric organizer, or vintage suitcase, these creative toilet paper ideas allow you to personalize your bathroom while keeping it organized and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.